Put a Honda Shadow, put an Indian, put a Harley and another cruiser and a Kawasaki, whatever. Take all the badging off, and someone's gonna walk by and see and be like, "Whoa, look at all these Harley Davidsons." Welcome back to another video. We got a cold one here in our hands today. It's not really cold, it's all right. It's like 45 degrees. Blue skies, clear skies, and no drones today so far out here in Jersey. Today I wanted to talk about something. I had posted a video last week. I think it was the one talking about the Bronx, the Harley Davidson Bronx. And will we be seeing that bike for 2025? So if you haven't seen that video, take a look at it. But there was a comment in there that kind of stood out to me, and it's a comment that I get at times, that I've got quite a few times over the past few years. And that comment was, why don't you do content on any other bikes besides Harley Davidson? This is all the content you do. You only do Harley Davidson content, blah, 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 blah. So I'm just going to clear the air onto why that is. First of all, let me start off by saying that I also have done a lot of Indian content. Within that video, I also spoke about some other bikes that I like that are not from Harley Davidson. I brought up some naked bikes, I believe. I brought up some sport bikes. I brought up a ton of stuff there, right? So the question is always, why don't you ever do any content on anything else that's not Harley Davidson? Why don't you ride another bike that's not a Harley Davidson, right? Most of the time it goes around that. So let's just get into it. Why don't I? This is my niche. I don't find the need, and I don't have the need to go and do content around other brands that I may not know too much information about. A, B, I might not be too interested in, or C, I just don't care of. I choose to do mainly Harley Davidson content because I love this brand. I love the culture around it. I love anything and most of the stuff around it. There's some little stuff that, you know, us as consumers, we complain about and feel that the company could do better. And I voiced that out in different videos. But for the most part, I love this brand. I love its rich history, its rich Americana history. I love what it has to offer, right? There's a reason why we get these motorcycles, and it's because we have the ability to tour and ride something that's American, ride something that's full of history, make it our own and customize it to our liking with all the aftermarket parts that are available for these bikes, right? Now, I have done a ton of content on Indian motorcycle as well, right? You could say that I'm a cruiser lover. Like, I love cruisers. Yes, I love sport bikes. I wish I could own a Panigale. I wish I could own a Yamaha R6. I wish I could own a lot of different bikes, and if I had the money, I probably would have all those bikes. I would, because I love those bikes. But the reason why I do content just on Harley is because this is my niche. I have and I own a Harley Davidson. I have owned several Harley Davidsons in the past, and this is my thing. And this is what I enjoy doing. I enjoy talking about the motorcycles that I own. I enjoy reviewing different type of Harley Davidson motorcycles. And I just don't have the need to go get on a sport bike right now and do content. Like, there's other channels for that. And that brings me to my other point. So if you come onto this channel and you're looking for a certain type of content, which I don't usually do, then why complain about it? If you're coming here, it's because you know what the channel is about. Us, you, me, everyone as a YouTube viewer, we all have certain channels that we go to for certain things. For example, if I'm looking for a day-to-day news and current events, politics, all that stuff, I'll go and I'll turn on Valuetainment. I'll turn on the Joe Rogan podcast. Those are the channels that are amongst a few others, right? If I want to see Harley Davidson content, there's a few people who I watch. If I want to go and watch car content, which I watch a lot of car content, and mainly about like the current market and stuff like that, there's certain channels that I'll go to watch that specific information. I'm not gonna go to a sport bike channel looking for cruiser information or vice versa, you know? So every content creator has their niche. Now, there are people out there who kind of do content on all types of bikes and all that stuff, and that's cool. So if that's the type of content you want to watch, then there's channels for that. But right now and always, and what I have always been focusing around is just Harley Davidson content, because this is my passion. I made a channel just around my passion, so think about that for a second. A lot of content creators start their channels making content around one thing that they love, whether it be in a motorcycle or being a certain car. And some people tend to kind of stick to the formula, right? Or they'll expand and do different things. I like to stick with my formula. This is what I like to do. I like to film a certain way. I like to go over discussions a certain way. I like to talk and say things a certain way when it comes to my content, because it's my content. So it's from my point of view. And a lot of you guys come over to the channel, you enjoy the way I say things, or you enjoy the way I may demonstrate things or film certain things. That's the reason why you come here and you watch. Now, with that being said, like I was saying before, I have done a ton of content on Indian motorcycle as well. And even if you go back a few years before, I've done videos on an R6. I've done videos on a Tenere. I've done videos on obviously all Harley Davidsons. What else? A few brands here and there. But for me to kind of like invest my time and do what I do, for example, with this, I really need to feel passionate about it and love it and just give it my all. That's pretty much it. That's the reason why I don't do content around other bikes. Now, like I said, there's a lot of brands that I actually like, a lot of bikes out there that I actually like. Like I said, like a BMW S1000, it's a gorgeous sport bike. A Panigale is a gorgeous sport bike. An R6, an R1 at that. Naked bikes, I love the way naked bikes look, the performance. When it comes to cruisers, mainly Harley Davidson, 1 or 2 or 3 Indians, that's about it. I'm not a fan really of the Honda cruisers. I'm just not. And they make great bikes. I won't take that away from them, but it's just when it comes to the style point, it's just not for me. When it comes to the nostalgia, it's just not for me. There's a reason why this brand here in particular speaks out to me. Is because I love the design of these bikes. The design language is like no other. It has always been like no other. It's always been its own identity. The Harley Davidson is the pinnacle of anything and everything when you think about cruisers. What's the first thing that comes to your mind is Harley Davidson. You can ask someone who doesn't know anything about bikes and put a Honda Shadow, put an Indian, put a Harley and another cruiser and a Kawasaki, whatever. Take all the badging off, and someone's gonna walk by and see and be like, "Wow, look at all these Harley Davidsons." That's how strong and how synonymous cruisers are with this brand in particular. And it's crazy when you think about it that way. But anyways, that's a different conversation for another day. Yeah, so I mean, I guess you've heard enough of me battling about why I don't do content on other motorcycles. And no, I'm not opposed to do it either. Like, you know, 2025 could come along and another brand come out with a bike that I really like and I'm really interested in. I could buy that bike, or, you know, maybe do a review on it or something and fall in love with it, and that could be a start of something, you know. As of right now, that hasn't happened. Well, it came very close. It came very close with the Indian Sport Chief. I gotta be honest. Like, the Sport Chief is. If I'd have this bike, like if I didn't own a Harley Davidson, I would buy a Sport Chief because that bike is awesome. But yeah, like, if you know, it depends what someone would come out, and who knows? Like, tomorrow so they come out with something, I could fall in love with it and I could buy it, and you know, the channel will go that direction. But for now, this is the focus. This is what we're gonna be doing. This is my formula, and that's it. So if you want to watch, cool. If you don't, awesome. There's thousands of channels out there with a ton of other content, different content, some of the same content. That's it. Oh, and one last thing. If you have not yet purchase yourself a pair of my gloves, you should go ahead and do that. These are the Milwaukee 87 in collabs with Torque Motorcycle Co. The Lightning gloves, I call them the Raidens. There's some still available on the Torque website. The link is down below if you want to support everything that I've been doing. That's one way to do it besides subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share the videos. But support the channel, cop yourself a pair of these gloves. Spring is basically almost right on the corner. I mean, it's almost January. We got like 2 more cold months, and then it's riding season all over again for some of you guys. But yeah, like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.